Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in for another daily Pokemon pack opening. Please like and subscribe to see more daily pack openings. Hope everybody's having a fantastic day today. Happy Thursday to all you out there. I'm excited for the weekend after tomorrow to start. Excited for the new Pokemon game coming out. I ordered a double copy from Japan so that I could get that promo with the starters and Pikachu on it. I'm excited for that. I got a toolbox reverse and Mag Cargo non-hollow. Thanks for joining me today, everyone. See you tomorrow.